Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a new arrival that we got in. It's a 2025 Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. Come on in and check it out. Inside the 251 Coastal Explorer, you may notice a few changes. We do have these swivel seats like on the 231 and 281. We did option this boat with the center backrest. You have the live well right here, or also you can be used as a release well. Access to bilge right here, and you do have a little bit of storage. Now at the leaning post, it does come with a nice live well right here. Secondary, I think it's about 35 gallons inside here, so tons of room for pilchers, shrimp, whatever you plan on taking out. At the helm, we do have room for twin 12-inch displays. We have our Yamaha display right here as well. Typically, we're going to NEMA network those together. If you wanted to, we can add a radar. We can add twin power poles to this boat. Trolling motor, we did option it with the trolling motor package up front. So whatever your heart's desire, we can do. If you look in the gunnels right here, we did option it also with the lockable rod storage. Then moving up front, we'll see some of the additional options. Of course, we have the casting platform insert right here. Like I told you guys before, the mount for the trolling motor, which comes pre-wired, goes to the helm, and does come with batteries as well. So all you have to do is throw a trolling motor on here, you're good to go. One thing you might notice right here is we have these rods. We can get the bow shade up front as well. This casting platform insert also goes right here to turn into a table or to a nice lounge as well. One of the new differences on the 2025 model is we did option this, or it comes now with actuated seats. So with just a push of a button, these seats move up and down and give you multiple different positions of angles. So really cool that Grady-White did that. They're really beefy actuators, so you don't have anything that typically goes wrong with them. Have a head in here, but it is full of all the cushions that we're keeping safe from the elements, even though these cushions will most likely last you a lifetime. You guys, thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. My name is Billy with MarineMax Houston. You can reach me at 936-223-6770. Thank you.